Hey, welcome to Automation Partners AI. Today we are going to see how our inbound AI call agents can receive any local small businesses clients call. Let's say this is a AI inbound call agents, and you can get that when you buy the plan from our Automation Partners AI websites, or you talk with our chatbots, or you dial these numbers. It will make an appointment with you, and based on your business size of employees and ratio every day call, we will go with the actual price and cost with this Lexi. Okay, so this is Lexi, our AI inbound call agents, and now I'm gonna show you how it works. It will have ability to book an appointment for you. It have ability to make sales by mailing, SMS, all these things. And if you buy our plans with this, you will get this. Also, usage cost is there for per minute cost. Even if you use the Skype is rest in peace, so it's not anymore. There also you have some usage cost. So our one is more affordable than others. Okay, so let's get started. If I click over here, and I will put a number, my number, so I can test how it works. So some of my information might be not visible for security purpose for us. So, but I will test the agents. So that's how it will works. So now I'm gonna call myself with Alexi, and my phone will start ringing. I'm using a VPN, so for some reason my phone might gonna talk very slow.
Hey, thanks for calling Automation Partners AI. This is Lexi. What's the one thing we can fix for your business today?
Well, I'm an HVAC technician and I'm a new business. When I start to work on central units on anywhere in the home of any states, my office remain empty, and any customers, and sometimes I remain busy, and anybody call from our website to number, sometime I lose them because there's nobody to receive the call and talk with them, make an appointment for us. Is there any solution from you?
Hmm, sounds like I'm exactly what you need as your AI inbound call agent. I can handle your business calls 24/7 without missing a beat, gathering all the necessary information, booking appointments, and even selling your services. Want me to send over a quick demo or a pricing sheet?
Oh, so you were also AI. That's really nice. I wasn't able to find out. You were so natural. Okay, we need something like this. So how can we start?
Awesome! Let's get you started. Could I have your full name and email address so I can send over the demo and pricing details?
Yeah, my name is Kai, and my email is kai@hvac.com.
Thanks, Kai. Just to confirm, your email is kai.abarett@vac.com. Is that
Yeah,
correct?
yeah, you're right.
Uh, Great. Kai, I've got your email all set. I'll send over the demo and pricing details right away. Would you like me to book a free call with our automation team to get things rolling?
Yeah, sure.
No worries. If you change your mind, just let me know. Thanks for reaching out, Kai. Have
Yeah,
a great day.
I want somebody to make an appointment for talking with you, guy.
Got it. Let's book that call for you. We have availability at 10 a.m., 2 p.m., or 4 p.m. Eastern. Which time works best for you?
How about next week, first day when the office hours in the morning?
Next Thursday, we have slots available at 9:15 a.m., 9:30 a.m., and 9:45 a.m. Eastern. Which one would you like to book?
Just the morning. I love to see that AI call it and start working in the morning, in the first week, on next first week.
Got it. Let's go with the earliest slot at 9:15 a.m. next Thursday. I'll book that for you right now. I booked your appointment for 9:15 a.m. on Thursday, July 3rd. You will
Thursday?
receive all the details via email.
Is
Anything
that,
else I can help you with?
yeah, is that Thursday, no, or Monday?
I booked your appointment for 9:15 a.m. on Thursday, July 3rd. If you need to change it, just let me know.
Yeah, I want that on Monday. I mean 13 June. I mean 30 June.
No worries. I see. You meant July 3rd, which is a Thursday. You're all set for that date at 9:15 a.m. If there's anything else you need, just let me know.
Just make me confirm that you book the appointment on next week Monday, 30 June.
I booked your appointment for Thursday, July 3rd at 9:15 a.m. If you want it on Monday, June 30th instead, I can change that for you.
Please
Let me
change
know.
it. Please change it.
Your appointment is now set for Monday, June 30th at 9:15 a.m. You're all confirmed. If you need anything else, just give me a shout.
Yeah, everything is awesome now. Thank you so much. I will talk with your team that day and have a great day. Thanks.
You're welcome, Kai. I'm glad everything's set. Looking forward to your chat with our team. Have a great day and take care. Goodbye.
Bye. Okay, now I will see the transcript and all the informations like recording audios so I can follow up. Also, we have a pipeline AI summarize all these things for you. So whether you're plumbers, HVAC, any kind of local businesses, every call is very important for you. So this is our demo. This is our agents. So we are not a local business. So our agency is set that way for us. But when you go with the plumbing, HVAC, any kind of different things, we can also set that for you personally. Okay. So if I go in my contact, I can see my contact is already added over there. So if my mail is not valid, I will not able to see any audios or summarize because my mail is not correct. Okay. So like you can see, his appointment is already postponed, and I mean it was she mistakenly taken in on Thursday, then she switched into Monday that I asked for. And in a minute, I will see the audios and transcript over here, just like this one. Okay, yeah, I can't see because it say the DND because he saw that the mail is not verified. So you have to mention the mail very wisely, otherwise you will not be get notifications. But still, you will get an SMS. So with your number, so we can follow up with you all the time. So whether the SMS, whether the mails, you will never lose any customers. Okay, this is amazing and this is crazy. We can optimize more easy way and stay with Automation Partners AI. Okay, have a great day. Bye.